Nursery cartoon love journey with hark. In a shimmering pond where the lilies sway, 5 ducks took flight at the break of day. With feathers so bright and hearts full of cheer, they quacked and they splashed without any fear. But lurking below in the depths of the blue, a shadow moved swiftly, dark as a bruise. A shark sleek and hungry with teeth like a knife watched the ducks frolic, his heart filled with strife. Oh, what do I do, he thought with despair. I long for connection but frighten them there. His jaws were wide open, his presence was stark. How could he find friends in this world where he'd hark? The first duck named Daisy paddled ahead. She quacked to her sisters, "Come join me," she said. But one cautious cousin exclaimed with dismay, "Beware, there's a predator lurking today." Yet Daisy felt brave as she swam near the edge. What if we try just a small little pledge? The other 4 followed her lead with concern. Could friendship be forged from their fear's harsh return? So they danced on the surface in ripples and light, and the shark watched in wonder, could it happen tonight? With each little splash and their joyful refrain, he fought through his hunger to stifle his pain. Then Daisy looked back as she dipped beneath waves. "Hello down there, we're not here to be slaves." The shark's heart leapt high, it was hope that he found. Could bonds form between them despite all around? In that moment of courage shared under sun's arc, 5 ducks met a shark who once played just the dark. With laughter and quacking and tales yet untold, they bridged worlds apart, a new friendship to hold. Nursery cartoon love journey with hark.